lecture, we will continue our chapter number 5, separation of substances. So, this is the second process of separation, which is threshing process. So, what is this threshing process? You must have seen the bundles of wheat or paddy stalks lying in the fields after harvesting the crop. Paddy stalk means number of stalks. Large number of stalks are called the paddy stalk or the bundle of wheat stalk. They are lying in the field after harvesting the crop, and these stalks are dried in the sun before the grain is separated from them. Each stalk has many grain seeds attached to it. Imagine the number of grain seeds in a hundreds of bundle of stalks lying in the field. How does the farmer separate grain seeds from those bundle of stalks then? So here, what written that? Stalks are dried in the sun before the grain is separated from them. So, before doing the threshing process, we have to let them dried in the sun. We have to keep the stalks to dried in the sun before doing the threshing process, before doing the separation process. And after that, we will do the separation process. We will separate the grain from the stalk or the chaff of the plant or the stalk. Now, imagine there is the number of seeds in a hundreds of bundle of stalk lying in the field. If we have the mango tree or the guava tree, and we want the mango or guava, then easily we can pluck it and we can separate that fruit from the tree by plucking process, by hand picking process. But here we can't pluck each and every grain from the stalk. Why? Because the size of the grain is much smaller than the fruit like a guava or apple. So it is impossible to separate the grain from the stalk. So for separate the grain from the stalk, what should we do? Which process is uh, we can use to separate the grain from the stalk? So the process is threshing process. So what is in the threshing process? See, this is the part of the stalk of grain. So here the stalk of the wheat, and its part is given here. See, this is the chaff. Chaff means outer cover of the grain is called the chaff, and this is the chaff of wheat grain. Inside the chaff having a grain, here the picture of wheat grain is wheat, and this is the chaff of wheat. So by threshing process we will separate the wheat from their chaff. One may pluck mangoes or guavas from the tree, but grain seeds are much smaller than mangoes or guavas. So plucking them from the stalk would be impossible. So by plucking the seeds, grain seeds from their stalk, it is impossible thing. Why? Because its size is much smaller, and in one stalk there is having a number of grain seeds, and in a field there is the number of stalks are there. So maybe around 2000, 5000 seeds are there, and by plucking each and every seeds from the stalk, imagine that is impossible thing. So we can't plucking the grain seeds from their stalk, so we have to do the threshing process. So what we have to do in this threshing process? How does one separate the grain seeds from their stalk? The process that is used to separate grain from the stalk is called the threshing process. In this process, the stalks are beaten to free the grain seeds. So, what is the threshing process? The process that is used to separate the grain from the stalk, it's called the threshing process. And in this process, the stalks are beaten. Beaten means we will heat the stalk. Heat the stalk on the stone. Big stone. We will take a big stone, and on this big stone we will beat or heat the stalk of the wheat, and by this process the grain will automatically comes out from the chaff. So this is called the threshing process. Sometimes threshing is done with the help of blocks. Machines are also used to thresh the large quantity of grain. In earlier time, as you can see in this picture, in earlier time, threshing process is done by the hand. The farmer did the threshing process by their hands. How they can do that process? They take the stalk of the grain and then they will beat the stalk. And as you can see in this picture, threshing process is done by the machine. In earlier time, the threshing process is done by the hand and the bullock also. So you have the question arise in your mind, how the bullock we can use the bullock to separate the grain from the stalk. How? So the stalk of the grain will lying on the, they put a one road of any wood or any material, and then in a round way they blocks are walk on the paddy stalk, and by the walking of the blocks the separation of grain from the stalk is happened. So this is the threshing process which is done by the block and hand in the earlier time. But nowadays, to separate the number of grain from the stalk, we are using the machine. So in a few minutes, in a few hours, in a few time, we can separate the grain from the stalk. So what is happened in the machine? From this point, from this end, the husk part or the chaff part of the stalk will comes out, and that will be fallen on the floor in a distance. And in this, from this end of the machine, the grains will comes out. As you can see, there is the seeds are comes out and fallen on the floor, and the impurities will blow away, and it will fall on the floor much the seeds that will comes out from this end. So this process is done by the machines. Nowadays we are using the machines to separate the grain from the stalk. Now the second process, which is the winnowing process. There is one activity is given here. Make a mixture of dry sand with the sawdust or powder dry leaves. You can use the dry leaves and make its powder, or you can use the sawdust also. Sawdust, it means the wood powder, wood ka powder. So keep a mixture on a plate or a newspaper. Make a mixture of dry sand and sawdust, or you can make a mixture of dry sand and powdered dry leaves and put that mixture on the plate or on a newspaper. Look at this picture. Look at this mixture carefully.